How to zoom into a video on Clipchamp PC. Hey everybody, today I'm going to show you guys how you can easily zoom in on a video using Clipchamp. First thing you have to do is go to app.clipchamp.com or just search for Clipchamp on your web browser. Once you get here, make sure to log into your account and then go ahead and create a new video. And once you click on create, you're going to have to import a video from your PC. So what I'm going to do is go to your media, click on import media, and from here, I'm just going to go to pictures and import this random video. Let me just go ahead and import this. And once you have imported your video, you could then just go ahead and drag it to your timeline. All right, so here you have the video. And if I start playing it, it is an F1 car drifting. So what I'm going to do here is, if you want to zoom into the video, just click on the video and you could entirely just zoom in like this, make it bigger. But if you just want, it obviously makes the video bigger on the entire video, but if you just want it to be zoomed in on a specific part, then what you need to do is click on this fit and it will go back to its original size. Then select the part of the video where you want to zoom it in. So let's say I want to zoom it in somewhere around here. All you have to do is just split your video here. So click on split. Now your video is divided into two parts. So the part right here, it will be played normally without zooming in. But from here, what I'm going to do is select this part, and then I'm just going to drag it and zoom it in like this. All right, so the video has been zoomed in. So let me just go back here. This is the normal one. And from here, the video will be automatically zoomed in. So that's pretty much it, guys. That's how you basically zoom into your video using Clipchamp. So here it is a normal video, and once you get here, it will automatically zoom in. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.